Hello everyone. Today I have another question which is very common in the interview processes. So in my experience I have seen that in Amazon, Oracle and many other top companies they sometimes ask this question. Maybe not for fresher level but in many other levels they will ask this question. So the question here is you will be given a string and you have to give them the number of occurrence of each character in a string. So here I have given an input. See the input string here. So the input string contains a few characters and you have to give the number of occurrence of those characters. So it looks simple, and basically they wanted to see what kind of data structure you want to use, and maybe possibly the recruiters wanted to know if you have knowledge on collection, if you use Java collection. And if you notice, before writing the code, if you notice, uh, we can kind of put a mapping in between the characters and number of counts. So suppose you can say A, we can have a mapping of A with 2, for B similarly, for B it's 3. So as we can say, we can use map here actually, because we are representing the character and its value. So it's a pair key. You can say you can represent it with a key value pair. So the key would be the character and value would be the number of occurrence. So what we are going to do here, we will read each of the characters here, and we'll try to count how many times it occurs. So to put the count somewhere, we will use a map. And if you don't know about Java collection or about map, you can read a little bit about maps. So what we are going to do, we will first read the first character, which is A here, and we'll set the count as 1. Again, we'll read the next character, we'll find it as A again, so we will set the count as 2. Similarly, next character we'll check, which is not A, so it's a B, and so for the first time we're getting it, so we'll set the count as 1. And similarly we'll read the next characters, so here B would be at the end 3. Again we'll read it for C again, and so on. So till the end of the string we will read each character. So we are going to perform this whole operation like counting and all for the whole string for each of the characters. So definitely we are going to use the for loop or some other loop, while loop here, and we'll repeat the same operation here. So as I said, if you are not very easy with maps and Java collection, you can go to any, you can just Google it. There are many sites here. I will not personally recommend any website, but there are many websites available nowadays. You can just go through it once. And the most important thing here for the map is we are going to represent these values as key value pair. That is key value, and here key would be a character and value would be a number or an integer, you can say. So this is the basic thing. So let's go for the coding part. So this is my class. I have just written one class, and I'll just say uh, this is my input string. It's an example string, and say input should be something like AA, BBB, CC, DDD. Okay. So this is my input string, and what I will do, I write a for loop to read each of the characters here. So it will be int I equal to 0, I is less than, I'm getting the length here. So this is my loop, and it will read each of the characters here. So I would say imp dot character at index. I'll use I is the index, and I'll assign it to a variable, which should be current character for me. So yeah, so I would assign its character to this current character value, and I check if, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to declare a map. I'm sorry. I'll just declare a map here, and it would be hash map. I'll give the name as map, and it would contain character, integer, hash map. Same thing we will use here, and yeah, I'll import it. So this should be character. Sorry about that. And yeah, so the hash map is ready, where we will put values to check. So now what we will check, we have a current character, that is A, the first character. What we will do, we will check whether A is already available in the hash map or not. If not, we will put it into the hash map. So what we'll do, I'll check contains key. Key would be my current character. So if it doesn't contain this key, so that means A was never there. What I'll do, I'll put A into the map. That would be current character, and the value would be, for the first time, it would be always 1. Again, what if A was already there? So we have to handle that part. What if A was already there? So we'll write that part in else portion. So suppose for the second character here, which is again A, so that portion we will handle it here. So what we would do, whatever A's current value, that is 1, we will get that value and we'll do a plus 1 to that. So to do that, what we can do, we'll do again a put into the map. That would be my map dot put. Character would be current character, and the value would be, what we will do, we'll get the current value of A, which was 1, and we'll do a plus 1. So my map dot get key would be current character and plus 1. So this is the this is the logic actually, and there is nothing very complicated about this. When you get the question, don't be nervous, just try to put a bit of logic here, and I feel like if you use hash map it would be the simplest. So here after the for loop, means after reading each of the characters, we can print whatever is in our map. So hopefully it will show us the correct result. You can just print the map just like that. I think you already know that, and yeah, this is our program. It's ready. I'm running it, and it's giving us the correct result. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, any queries, just write it down in the comment section, and please try to like, share or subscribe the channel. Thanks.